Hello, YouTube viewers and random candy fans. It's the boy Leif here, and I was in a little Rite Aid, and I was in the snack aisle, and I found a cool candy. And as you may recognize it, it's a Gumball machine. It's really cool. But yeah. Cool. So let's open this. One has a little coin thing in the back. And look at it pops off. Let's see if I have a quarter. I don't have one on me, but a penny will do for me. Okay. So here it is, all open and ready. Oh wait, no, it's not all open and ready. There we go. Now I gotta go open this part. That's why I can actually get the Gumball out. So here it is, and I'll put the coin in. It's in the back. See? And you crank the knob and I got two mini gumballs. Gives you two. Really neat, huh? I'm not gonna eat any because I'm saving this for the customers or whatever you want to call those people. And I think it's just really cool. I'm going to do another video right after this just to show you my homemade one out of Legos. That was really cool. But thank you for watching. Rate, like, comment, view, and subscribe. Okay, and